shorty part.
Cause we are so free.
So, pasakay na kami, guys. Joby talaga lagi ako tinitingnan. Oo, ito lang nga. Ayan na. Ay, gusto niya daw. Good morning, everyone. So, today is Sunday and August 18. Time check, guys, it's 7:39. We're here at NAIA Terminal 3. Papunta kami ngayon sa Dumaguete. Siyempre, para mag-tour din. We're about to board na din. See you, Dumaguete!
Please do not hesitate to contact engagement for your measures.
Alright, so we just landed here at Dumaguete Airport, guys. Ang biyahe namin, medyo madaming turbulence.
Mas malamig guys compare sa Manila.
Wow! Kaya na sa port.
What? 250 po.
Lima.
Lima na kayo dyan.
Since papunta kami guys sa Siquijor, so kailangan mo nang pumunta sa Dumaguete Port. Paglabas mo ng airport, marami nang mag-o-offer ng mga transportation. Pwede na yun. Ang 150, pwede na yun. Sige, tara. Lima kami sa tricycle, cash mo kami. So, ang napili pala namin is Ocean Jet. Pero marami din ditong mga shipping line. Like Fastcat, Medallion, Allison Shipping. I don't know na.
Well, I like clovers. My heart's always been green, but I tend to mix up the ones with 3 and 4 leaves. Cause you like drinking.
Kababa na kami, guys. Pagbaba mo, makikita mo na agad yung water. Sobrang clear. Dito pa lang yun sa port nila. Paano pa kaya sa mga beaches nila? Super excited! So, since DIY itong gagawin namin, guys, maghahanap kami ng mga mapagre-rentahan ng motor dito papunta sa bahay namin. So, si Kuya kasama na namin. May in-offer siyang 350. Bali, 5 kasi kami, guys. And 3 lang yung marunong mag-motor sa So, yun na, guys. Nakakuha na kami ng 3 motor. So, nakuha namin for 300 pesos. 24 hours yun, guys. Ang motor na napili namin is Honda Beat. So, punta muna kami sa aming tutuluyan. Tapos, update ko kayo, guys. Saray! Ito po ang angkas ko. Saray! Ito na ang aking driver. Woo! Welcome to Siquijor!
Shadows every morning are crawling on my floor. And I just wanna lie here and there's nothing more. There's raindrops on my window and I'm going behind these closed eyes I visualize what will come and what is past. But mama, turn the light on. Mama, stir me from my sleep. I've been sleeping.
So yun guys.
Guys, papagas na kami. Kasi 1 bar na lang po yung inarkila namin motor.
Nasa San Juan na kami guys.
Umuulan! Ay, di pala. Umaambon, guys! Dead masaambon.
1 minute.
Ang bahay natin ay...
And that's the beach.
Yeah.
There! There! Sige pa. Malapit na 1 minute. Look guys. Ayan, ganyan yung mga lokal dito. Ayan, ang mga hostel. So, here na kami guys. San Juan.
Dito na kami sa San Juan, guys. How's the ride?
It is good.
Yeah. How's the ride, Dobby?
Very, very good.
Because of the international so may Thai restaurant, may Filipino food, magbaha bar na lang kayo. Yun yung magpapaka kayo. Pwede kayong mag-Baha Bar. Pwede din kayong mag-sunset glamping. Dito lang din. Masarap din yung food nila. Masarap din yung Thai restaurant kung gusto nyo mag-chill lang hanggang alas 2. Kasi malapit
waiting.
siya sa dagat.
Okay.
Pwede pag may nakita kayong sementeryo, that will be sementeryo Thai restaurant.
Okay.
Siguro mga
Straight lang po siya,
2
ano?
minutes lang.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Sa
you.
right side ha.
Okay. Ito yung in-order namin guys na grilled pork belly. Served with rice na siya. So, we're here sa Lassie Convent or ito yung kumbento at saka yung simbahan. Famous to dito sa Siquijor. Dito yung kumbento. Sa harap niya ay simbahan.
Wow.
Next stop namin guys dito sa Old Ballet. Nagbayad lang kami guys ng 20 pesos for the entrance fee. Uy! Oh, kiliti girl!
Always think about you, but sometimes I do. 'Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. 'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do.
Dito kami guys sa Pitogo Cliff. Entrance fee is 30 pesos. And pakita ko sa inyo guys.
That's when I do. I guess the truth is I can't leave memories behind. When she asked about you, hesitate.
Ayan guys, nagpagas muna kami ng Coca-Cola. Ayan ang mga riders, oh. Riders of Santa Ana. Stop over agad. Wala pa kaming kain guys. Morning na morning! Today is our day 2. And nandito kami ngayon guys sa Cambugay Falls. First, kailangan namin kumuha muna ng ticket guys bago kami makapasok. Magkano kuya? 50 pesos each person. Thank you, kuya. Kailangan nyo magbayad muna ng 50 pesos each for admission fee or environmental.
Kahit saan walang bawal maligo. Kung gusto nyo maglalanditin, bawat isa sa inyo, 20 pesos per head, pero unlimited. Kung gusto sumakay ng iba sa patungo sa waterfalls, 20 pesos per head. Kami na po ang bala sa video, picture, at sa kanya ng drone.
Okay.
The sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well. In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those friends. Circumstances made it so that I'll never see their faces, except for on the internet, where I'll never really know what's going on behind their smile. I mean, I guess I could check in once in a while, but best friends are growing up, and there's no time for us to pretend we'd stay in touch.
guys, tinry namin yung swing nila dito sa Kambugay for only 20 pesos. Ayun siya! Kuya. Only swing na yan, only talon. So, ako nakadalawa akong talon, guys. And sobrang ganda, sobrang sulit siya, guys. Hey girl, how's the experience?
Good.
Yeah. Ilang beses ka tumalon?
Times.
3 times. Yung isa?
The last one is the highest.
Highest jumping level. Ganun, guys. Pero kami 5 tumalon lahat. Si Jovi, ayan si Jovi.
Tara guys, sama kayo.
So, time check at 11 a.m. guys. Next falls na yan kami after namin mag-lunch.
Kaya ka doon.
I never wanted to be that girl, but I'm stuck on this rural street, and my smile won't come, but my hair still curls, and I guess that's how they recognize me. I'm not actually here. I'm not
Dito na tayo guys.
actually
Tara.
anymore.
Pera, hanap ko yan.
I forgot
Sige kuya.
you with the bright. I envy you. Cold and bitter, that's what I've come to. You with the bright. There's no one around for miles. They left with me here in the dust. They're actually all right next to me. But it's like I'm a ghost. I'm not actually here anymore. I've forgotten what I came here for. You with the bright eyes, I envy you. Cold and bitter, that's what I've come to. You with the bright eyes, I envy you. Cold and bitter, that's what I've come to. And I'm done with the pain, and I'm done playing games with everyone. And I'm done with the past, wish I could let it go and make it last for a while. You with the big smile.
Okay, nandito kami ngayon guys sa Monkey Beach. Iniisip namin if tutuloy ba kami. Kasi kami sure if tama ba itong pinapasukan namin or not. Pero sabi nung nakita namin sa daan, ito naman daw. Ayun siya guys. So, tingnan niyo yung daan. Pabalik na lang kami guys. Lipat kami sa ibang beach or falls.
Falls na tayo.
Okay. Where to go next? May isa pang falls, diba, girl?
Pang rock.
Pabalik na kami guys. And ayun pa yung aakyatin namin. Mga pagod lahat. Ano? Next stop namin guys, Kawasan Falls.
Gusto nga ako na lang magdala. Para hindi kayo mahirap.
Hindi, okay lang.
Mga ano yan, independent.
So that I'll never see their faces, except for on the internet, where I'll never really know what's going on behind their smile. I mean, I guess I could check in once in a while, but those friends are growing up, and there's no time for us to pretend we'd stay in touch, 'cause everybody knows it will never be the same. We move on and people change. Yeah, those friends are growing up.
Good morning guys! So today is our day 3 and time check it's 8:45 in the morning. So nandito kami ngayon sa Paliton Beach guys.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In these deserts, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can know. Can you stay?
Stop namin guys. This is the sulfur vent.
Actually, ma'am, toxic lang siya kung hindi masyado magtatagal. Kasi may mga residente naman dito bang hindi naman na paano, ipitila po yata kung sensitive.
There hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it.
Hi mga Mima sir!
Welcome.
Magkano binayad mo girl?
100.
Each? Next stop guys namin is the Pulang Bato Falls. Pulang bato dahil pula yung bato. Diba?
Literal, guys.
Literal na.
Literal.
Pula yung bato.
Bakit pa sila mag-iisip kung yung hindi naman yun?
Shadows of the morning are crawling on my floor, and I just wanna lie here, and there's nothing more. There's raindrops on my window, and I'm going nowhere.
Ganda naman dito mga
Behind
Marcy!
these closed eyes, I visualize what will
So,
come
ito
and
po
what
kami
is
ngayon. Nandito pa talon-talon lang.
Dala lang kami!
Mama, turn the light on. Mama, stir me from my sleep. I've been sleeping too long.
Dito kami ngayon guys sa Forest Camp. Isa din tong famous attraction dito sa Dumaguete. Ang entrance fee is 100 pesos. Tapos meron na din silang restaurant. Kami nag-order na kami kanina and then mamaya pabalik daw kami after 30 minutes para kumain. So while waiting guys, magpipicture-picture muna kami. So ayun na nga guys, dito na natatapos ang Dumaguete tour namin. Thank you pala sa mga tour guide namin. Sir Denmark, guys, kung gusto nyo ma-achieve yung mga ganitong photos, ayan, ito-flash ko. Message nyo lang po si Kuya Denmark or contact number mo, sir.
0985-161-4635.
Yun. I-message nyo na lang siya guys ha. Maraming salamat po, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.